Here is the Hyundai Accent. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Those are the lights over there. The way to access it, we have to pop the trunk. So open the driver's side door, pop the trunk from over there, and we need to flip up that cover. There are two tabs, so grab those tabs and flip the cover open. It may feel like you're gonna rip it apart, but you won't. It's just designed to be open this way. So let's flip open the cover there, and once you do, you'll see the gray bulb holder. That's the one for the brake light bulb. In order to get it out, just grab it and twist it left a little bit, just a little bit to loosen it. You'll have to use your thumb and finger both at the same time to twist it left. It's gonna be a little bit hard, but it'll come loose. So let's go ahead. That is now loose. Get the bulb holder now. It should just come right out. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is just push it down. See how I can push it down? So push it down, twist it left, and out it comes. The bulb replacement size number is right there on it, 2357. Again, 2357, that's the bulb replacement size number. Get the new bulb, put it back in the bulb holder, and now if you're having trouble pushing it down, like if you feel some resistance, like it's not going down, that's okay. Just take the bulb out, turn it around like 180 degrees, like half a turn, and then put it back in. Now you should be able to sort of push it down and then twist it right, and it's locked in place. That is good. When you put in the bulb holder back into the light, you have to make sure that it sort of sits flush. See, right now it's sticking out, so all I have to do now is just twist it left, right, wiggle it a little bit, and then it's going to drop in. You got to make sure it drops in. Yep, just like that. And now at this point you can just twist it right to lock it in place. And the tightening part may seem like it's taking a little bit longer and it just seems harder, but that's normal. That's just the way it works. So you'll have to spend a few seconds and you can twist it right to lock it in place, and that's pretty much it. It's basically the reverse of what we did when we were taking it out. When you put in that cover back on, make sure the edges are tucked in. That's sort of what keeps it in place. Yep, that's looking good. Hope you found the video useful.